Recording videos is tough. And then when you're done recording, you've got to promote them. Otherwise, they'll just sit there and nobody will watch them. So what if I told you there's a way to automate the promotion of all your videos? So when you're done recording those beautiful works of art, automatically they're going to be promoted to all of your social media channels. And furthermore, it's incredibly important to promote your videos from minute one, because within 24 hours of your video being uploaded to YouTube, that is the most critical time to get some eyeballs, because if you have a lot of views in the first 24 hours, that's when YouTube's algorithm is going to place you way up high in the search results. So let's dig in. Let me show you how to do this. I'm on the Sociamonials YouTube channel right now. It doesn't even have to be your own channel. If you've got another channel that your audience watches, why not be the first to promote that to your audience? That's just another idea. In this particular example, we are going to promote our own videos. So to get to your channel, just go to the top right and click Your Channel. Once you're there, you're going to need to grab part of the URL of this page. And what I mean by that is, let's jump over to our Help file and see what we have to do. So I'm going to click Help here within the software, and it will tell us exactly what to grab. Just search RSS and go to the bottom one. Scroll down to the bottom and we give you the secret sauce. Step one is to find your channel. We've done that. So now we look at this part to the right of the channel slash and everything up into the question mark. Let's go grab that. You can't see the top of my screen. You just have to trust me. So I'm grabbing that part of the URL. And I'm going to jump into Notepad. This is how I do it. So I'm going to paste that here. Now let's go back to the formula. So the next step is to grab your formula, and I'm going to grab this entire formula here and copy this. Perfect. So where it says your channel ID, well, that's this part. So I'm going to grab this part again, copy it, and I'm going to paste it over this whole bracket part. So it should just say channel ID equals, boom, your channel ID. Now we grab this entire URL, and this is our YouTube channel's RSS feed. So I'm going to copy this into the clipboard and go back to the software, and let's add a new automated RSS feed. Click Add RSS Feed. Let's call this let's see, YouTube channel. Where it says RSS feed URL, well, that's that part that we just spent a bunch of time putting together. So I'm going to paste that here. I'm going to pull in the link title and description to create my message. So we'll even automate writing the message for me. And append text. If it was somebody else's channel, you might want to give them some attribution here. Maybe say like, via Tom Jeffrey's channel or whatever it is, and then we'll add that to your message just to give them some attribution. Now we can decide how many it's going to pull in. I'm going to pull in the last 10, and then this is the fun part, decide which channel all of these videos are going to be pushed out to. So I've got my default channels here, which is just fine. Decide which category they will post to. You might even want to create a whole separate new category just for this particular stream of videos. Maybe call it, YouTube videos, and you've got special times that you post these. I'm going to choose evergreen because I'm going to repost these. And I'm going to go to requeue. So it's going to requeue these videos three times and then automatically expire them. And it's going to trim the tweets if the message becomes too long. We're ready now to click Add RSS Feed. So now it's going to go out and pull those into the queue. And now we have a list of our YouTube videos. So it pulls in the preview, thumbnail, and it crafts an entire message for you based on the information in the feed. And of course, it posts it to the correct category and times. So that's it. This is a great way of filling up your queue with fantastic, engaging content from your own YouTube feed or the feed of somebody else who your audience watches. That's it. If you have any questions, just cruise on over to our chat bubble, and we'll hear from you then. Thanks a lot.